Hey there, Devin here with Patriot Awning Company. I'm a little peeved today, and this is why. We saw this ad on Facebook. Protection from showers, from the rain, for a retractable awning. It's a blatant misrepresentation.
Lights, 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 yeah. Lights, 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 yeah. Lights, 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 yeah.
The same company that is stating this excludes damage caused by the rain. Sometimes you'll find companies that'll say anything to get in your pocket and get your money. Retractable awnings are great for protection from the sun and the sun only. If you want protection from the rain from an awning, don't buy a retractable awning from us, from anybody else. What you want is a fixed awning, a welded frame awning, metal, fabric, standing seam, something of that nature. Be an informed consumer, don't get ripped off, stay smart,